everyone, welcome to our channel. Hope you all are doing well. Let me introduce myself. We are starting an exciting house construction journey where we will show you step by step how a dream home is built from the ground up. In this series, you will see everything like foundation work, columns, slab, brickwork, interiors, and final house transformation. If you are planning to build a house, this channel will help you real construction process and how to avoid costly mistakes. So let's start today's site work.
Here's an exclusive drone shot visual of our new construction project site. Just a short time ago, this entire land was covered as a nursery area filled with natural greenery and uneven terrain. After detailed planning, land clearing, and site preparation, the transformation journey officially started. This is very beginning stage of site development and foundation work. In this stage, the land has been excavated according to the structural layout plan. The trenches you are seeing here are prepared for the foundation beams and footing work which will support the entire building structure. After excavation, leveling and soil preparation were completed to achieve a stable base. Then PCC, also known as plain cement concrete, was laid below the footing areas to provide a clean and strong surface for foundation construction. The square concrete structures visible in the site are isolated footings. These footings help transfer the entire building load safely into the ground. Steel reinforcement bars are called rebars are installed vertically to connect future columns with the foundation system. You can also notice wooden shuttering materials around the site. These are used to hold concrete in shape during the pouring and curing process. The main materials used at this stage include cement, sand, aggregates, steel reinforcement bars, concrete mix, binding wire, and formwork materials. Proper foundation work is one of the most important parts of any construction project because the strength and durability of the entire building depend on this stage. In the upcoming stages, column work, plinth beams, backfilling, and slab construction will begin. Stay connected to watch the complete building construction journey from foundation to final finishing.